Welcome to Vegan Viking Kitchen. In this episode, we are going to be making banana coconut oat pancakes. Gluten-free, vegan, and delicious. Let's get started with the recipe. To make our buttermilk, we will get 1 cup of soy milk or other non-dairy milk. I love soy, it has more protein. I'm a protein junkie. Put in 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar or lemon juice. Mix it slightly. We'll set this aside for 15 minutes and you'll see it start to thicken up a bit. I'm not sure if you see it, but the soy milk has thickened. For our oat flour, we shall put in 2 cups of oats into my blender. Just blend that for a few minutes until it becomes a very fine powder. See how nice and fluffy it is. We have the buttermilk, which we made with soy milk. The flour, oat flour. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 3 tablespoons of shredded coconut. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Half a teaspoon of salt. 2 ripe bananas. 3 tablespoons of agave. Coconut oil for cooking. For the complete list of the amounts and ingredients for this recipe, you can check out my blog, veganvikingkitchen.com. To our blender, just add in all of our ingredients. There we have it. Nice, smooth, liquidy batter. We will prepare our pans. We have 2 just to speed up the process. I have a freakishly large one and a freakishly small pan going. Once the pan is heated up, we shall be using a 1/4 cup for our measurements. Let's see how much that gives me. All right, just pour that in as neatly as possible. Cook for a few minutes. It's going to take me around 2 to 3 minutes. You'll see that the edges start to turn golden brown, at which point you will flip them. Lovely. Let's get them plated. Here we are, their final product, plated. I added a bit of peanut butter, exactly 2 tablespoons in between each layer. I divided the pancakes into 2 separate plates, so I have 2 separate meals. So let's go over the protein. From the oats, I'm getting 14 grams. From the soy milk, I'm getting another 4 grams, so we're at 18 grams. Another 8 grams from the peanut butter. That brings me to 26 grams. 1 banana on top, that's 1.5 grams of protein. That brings me to 27.5. And I'm not sure about the berries. I'm gonna pair this off with another cup of soy milk to drink this down. So that gives me an extra 8 grams. That puts me over my 30 grams for my breakfast. I'm very happy about that. There's one final thing left, the taste test. Amazing. I feel like I'm having a cheat meal, but there's really nothing bad in here. For more high protein vegan meal recipes and ideas, please check out my Instagram. Vegan Viking Kitchen is my username. And check out veganvikingkitchen.com. That's my blog where I keep all of my recipes like this and many more. I'm going to eat this entire thing and probably the other one I made too. So, until next time, you know what to do. Keep it vegan.